Let us now look at brief demo of Trackier, which is an all-in-one affiliate management platform. So this is the dashboard. The first step is to create an offer. An offer is the advertiser campaign that lists down various terms and conditions, including the commission structure and other details. You can start from scratch if you know everything. You can also choose ready-made offer templates. The templates will allow you to create offers quickly. Let us take an example of creating a revenue share offer whereby I will pay the affiliates a certain percentage. Click on use and enter the offer details. Name this offer and click continue. Then set the URL of the campaign landing page where you want the affiliates to send the traffic. Now set the payout percentage. I am setting it to 10%. You can modify it as per your offer and set it to 30% for example. Then click continue and create the offer. Now it has redirected me to choose the tracking method I would like to deploy to track conversions such as iframe tracking or post back server to server tracking. There are many other options for tracking which are available here. Let us say you use the JavaScript tracking code method. So you click here and get the code. Now put this code on the advertiser's landing page. You can ask the merchant or advertiser's development team to do so and place the code on their landing page. Now this will ensure that the platform will correctly track which clicks on the landing page are coming from affiliate marketing from my panel. The next step is to set up the conversion type, which is sale in this case. Since the offer is revenue sharing and the affiliate is entitled to earn a commission of 30% per sale, this will make sure that when a sale happens via affiliate links, this conversion is accurately tracked. So now you get the code, copy it and paste it on the advertiser's landing page to track conversions. Now you can go to their help section for more details. I have now created the offer and I can see all the offers I have created on the dashboard in the offer section. I can further edit the offer and put in relevant details such as offer terms and conditions in the description, elaborate on restrictions if any, and define targeting parameters such as device type, location, etc. Then I go to the revenue and payout settings to check the commission structure of the offer or modify it. Moving forward, I can also check the landing page of the offer and edit it in case it has changed or add another landing page. Further, you can go to the creative tab and upload all the affiliate creatives that your affiliates can use to promote your offer and get sales. In the affiliate tracking tab, you can see the tracking URL of this offer that affiliates will use. In the tracking methods, you can change the type of tracking you want to use. For example, here you can also see post back server to server tracking option being listed here, which can also be used for more accurate and advanced tracking. Coming back to the dashboard, you can see I have created the offer and now I am ready to invite affiliates to join my program, access various offers I have listed on my panel and start promoting. Once you click on invite affiliates, you have two options to invite them. One is to add them via form where you can add their details and list them on your panel. Then you can give the affiliates the name and the password they can use to log in to Trackier panel. A point to be noted here is that each affiliate will be assigned a unique affiliate ID for tracking purposes. Then the second way is to send them an invite link and they can do the onboarding themselves on the Trackier platform. This is what the sign up form looks like with 3 default fields: full name, work email and password. Now once you onboard the affiliates, you can check them in the affiliate section of the dashboard where you can see all active affiliates working with you. On the right hand side, you can get more information about the affiliates you onboarded, such as their account and billing details, payment methods and registration data. You can also make edits such as make changes to their traffic status and tier status as well. You can further impersonate the affiliate to check what the affiliate sees on your panel to make sure everything is working as intended. As an affiliate, you can then navigate to settings to update your payment methods whereby you will receive commissions. You can use two options here. You can receive payments via bank transfer or PayPal and set it up to receive payments. Then every affiliate will have access to their performance dashboard, which will include various information and metrics such as click and conversions, details about revenues, payouts, and even billing information. As an affiliate, you can also navigate to offers to see all the offers available to you, which you can use to promote on your digital properties. When you click on the offer, you will see the offer details such as terms and conditions of the offer, the revenues, the payouts, and commission structures. Then as an affiliate, you can also download the offer creatives to be used in promotion and copy the affiliate link which you will use in your promotions. Now once you promote the affiliate offer, your audience click, they will be redirected to the merchant's landing page and their actions will be tracked. Now coming back to the admin view, here I can see all the performance data as an affiliate ad network or advertiser such as clicks, conversions, revenues, and payouts. You can activate and deactivate them to see where you want to focus. Revenues indicate my total revenues and payouts show how much I owe to affiliates. The difference between revenue and payout is what I will get. As you scroll down, you can see how the affiliate program is performing on a daily basis and the new affiliate sign up information. The report section shows all the data gathered in much detail for performance analysis and reporting purposes. You can look at daily overview data, the country-wise data, data by landing pages, and data by affiliates to see how affiliates are performing. The other reports are clicks and conversion reports. You can slice these reports further by various parameters such as date ranges and other metrics. The most important report here is the conversion report, which includes information about all conversions and monetary transactions that you will gather from your affiliate marketing program. Then on the dashboard within the affiliates tab, you can see the email messages tab. Now this will help you create emails that you can send to all the affiliates to announce new updates or communicate with them from time to time and maintain ongoing communications. Moving forward, I can further go to the balance section and settle the pending balance or commissions of affiliates either one by one or at one go by clicking the settle button. So this is in brief demo of how the all-in-one affiliate management platform such as TrackDesk work.